Namaste. Myself is Naresh Kumar Marwal from Jyoti Vidyapit Women's University, Jaipur. I am an assistant professor in a computer science department. Today's session is based on entropy, about the information, about the average information, types of information, or you can say the type of entropy. So let's start. What is information? What are the use of information in our daily life? In our daily life, we are pass the information person to person. We are sending the message from host to destination. We are convey the message. We have lot of informations, but we are send a selected information to the selective person. So these messages are basically have few symbols. Every symbol have different probabilities. Some symbols have high probability, some symbols have low probability. Sometimes we are sending the information, but the information not received by the receiver exactly as you send. So maybe their probability is working. Your information may be disturbed due to some noise. So let's see, if the symbol have low probability, it means it's have high information. If we are talking about the information weightage with the low probability symbols, it is high. If the symbol have high probability, it means the information is very low. It means the information weightage in respect of high probability is low. So if you are trying to calculate the entropy or the average entropy, so we need a probability as well as the information. So if we are multiply the average of information and the probability of information, we find the entropy. Here is a entropy formula. With the help of, we can calculate the entropy. H of xi is equal to summation of n, I equal to 1. It means it's starting from 1 to n. P is representing here probability of x of I, and it is multiplied by I is information of x. How to calculate I? This is the formula for calculating the information. Summation I to 1, I equal to 1 to n. Probability of information log 1 upon p x of I. With the help of formula, we are calculating the information. Get that point? Now, average mutual information. With the help of this formula, we can calculate average mutual information. H xi x of I y is equal to summation of g equal to 1 to n and summation of I equal to 1 to m. P Yes, it means probability of xi, probability of yi upon xi, log p yi upon xi upon p yi. It means with the help of this formula, we can calculate average mutual information. Few informations are basically depend on condition, on joint entropies. Let's see. If I am talking about average conditional self information, it is depend on conditional entropy, conditional information. With the help of this formula, we can calculate h of x divided by equal to summation I equal to 1 to n and the summation j equal to 1 to m, probability x of I and the y of I. It means we are talking about the joint entropy, log 1 upon p x of I is it's divided by y of I. It means conditional entropy. So with the help of that formula, we can calculate average information, average conditional self information. Now how we can calculate the joint entropy? Basically we have two type of joint entropy. One is discrete, second is continuous. That if you are trying to calculate discrete, you are using summation. If you are trying to calculate the continuous, you are using this symbol. With the help of those formula, you can calculate the entropy. Let's take an example how to calculate. This is the example for find average self information. For calculating the average self information, here we are given some probabilities, basically 4 probabilities. P1 equal to, it means a probability 1, it's give 1 by 2, probability 2 it's give 1 by 4, probability 3 it's give 1 by 8, and 4 probability 4 is equal to 1 by 8. With the help of formula h of xi equal to summation I equal to 1 to n, p it means the probability x of I log 1 upon p x of I. Let's put the value in the formula. We have probability 1 value is 1 by 2, 2 value is 1 by 4, probability 3 value is 1 by 8, and the 4 is same. So 1 by 2 log 1 upon 1 divided by 2 plus 1 by 4 log 1 upon 1 divided by 4 plus 1 by 8 log 1 divided by 1 by 8 plus 1 by 8 log 1 divided by 1 by 8. We are putting the values on the formula, in the formula. Now if we are calculating, if we are solve it, if we are solve this equation, we are find the answer 7 by 4. So when we are trying to calculate the entropy and the information and the average information, with the help of the formula we can find out. And the average information have symbols, that symbols have different probabilities. If the probability is high, it means the information rate is low. If the probability is low, it means the information rate is very high. Get that point? Thank you.